In this video, I'm going to show you how to start using Notion Mail. Perfect if you already love Notion and want to manage email with the same clean, block-based workflow. First, open Notion and select the workspace you want to use. This makes sure you're set up in the right environment before connecting email. Next, open a new browser tab and go to the official Notion Mail website. This is where the setup begins. On the homepage, click Sign Up. You can sign up with Google or choose another supported email provider, depending on what you use. When prompted, allow Notion Mail to access your email account. This permission is required so your messages can sync properly and appear inside Notion Mail. Once setup is complete, open Notion Mail. If you want to connect more email addresses, go to Settings and select Add Account. This is great if you manage multiple inboxes and want everything in one place. Now let's look at the interface. Use the sidebar to move between Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and Trash, just like a traditional email client. When you open an email, you can choose how it displays, side peek, center peek, or full page view, depending on how focused you want to be. Composing emails is where Notion Mail really stands out. Click New Email and start writing using Notion-style blocks. You can add headings, checklists, callouts, colors, and more, making long or detailed emails easier to structure and read. Finally, take advantage of custom inbox views. Click Save View, give it a name, and you'll be able to quickly access filtered emails later, perfect for organizing messages by project, priority, or workflow. And that's it. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.